Welcome to our AI lab. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how AI chatbots are programmed, from raw data to intelligent conversations.
We need to verify the integrity of this data stream before deployment.
I'm cross-referencing with the legacy files now.
Try isolating the red clusters on the main sequence.
It worked. We're showing clean data across the board.
Increasing the learning rate now.
Look at that spike. The validation accuracy is holding steady above 92%.
Every iteration refines understanding, accuracy, and reasoning. We never compromise on safety or quality.
I think we can clarify the intent here.
Agreed. If we adjust the parameters, the output should improve.
The visualization clearly maps the neural network's decision path. Excellent. We can present this to the stakeholders this afternoon. I'll prep the deployment script.
Only responsible AI moves forward.
The final evaluation is complete. Everything is fully compliant with the new regulations.
Acknowledged and logged. The system integrity is confirmed.
Welcome to the automated transport network. Your optimal route is now active. Please proceed to Sector 7.
And that's how AI chatbots are programmed, ProLead, from raw data to real conversations. Thank you for joining us.